Today we're reviewing stock number 213619 on a 2011 GMC 3500 flat deck. And our exterior color is silver. Interior options include power windows, locks and mirrors, cloth seats, trailer brake, light controls, tilt steering, cruise control, hands-free communication and audio controls, OnStar, CD AM FM radio with auxiliary, and climate control with four-wheel drive controls. Our interior color is black. Passenger side options include 40-20-40 split seating arrangement, power locks and windows, and you can fold that seat up for more storage space. Once again, we're reviewing stock number 213619 on a 2011 GMC 3500.